Hello everyone, it is the Canadian Futures Trader here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the video.
Gotta get more followers.
If you are not already, be sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications, be alerted whenever I put out brand new videos. Today's video, I know some of you have been waiting for it. That's right, it is time for the next giveaway at long last. Now, originally this was going to be the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not yet at 1,000 subscribers, but I wanted to make this happen in June regardless, so we are going to do it. I know I will get to 1,000 subscribers eventually. So I'm going to walk you through how to enter. It's a little bit different than the previous ones, but I'm giving you multiple ways to enter if you so choose. So you should like that, and there's some additional prizes this time as well. So with this giveaway, there is multiple ways you can enter. We're going to go through them all. All this information is on my website. There is a link to this post down below, and you will actually have to come here to officially enter as well, but let's get to it. So the 1,000 subscriber giveaway will happen on July 1st is when I will actually do the giveaway. So you can enter at any point between when you are watching this video and up to July 1st, 2021. The cutoff will be 7 a.m. on that day. And as usual, I'll do the drawing and announce the winners and get in touch with you. So let's go through this. So first of all, the prizes. So first place prize is going to be a Earn2Trade Gauntlet Mini 150k evaluation. It's the exact same one that I'm currently doing as well. You can follow those videos to see how I am doing. Now for second and third, so basically I'll do a main drawing and the winner will be chosen and they'll win the 150k evaluation. I will pull 2 more additional names and you win an Earn2Trade beginner crash course, which is valued at $200. So you can learn all about the Gauntlet Mini and the beginner crash course at Earn2Trade, of course. There's links on here. Now, how to enter. There are 5 ways you can enter. You can basically do as many or as few of these as you care to. So I'm going to read through them, and then I'm going to actually go and show you each of these as well, just so there's no confusion. So if you're not sure what one of these means, stick around, and I will show you what it means. So first one is follow the Earn2Trade Instagram account. And I should mention, say you already follow their Instagram account, congrats, you already have an entry. Retweet a pinned tweet from my Twitter account, and I'll show you that in a minute. Like a pinned post on my Facebook page. Share this link on your LinkedIn profile. And the 5th way to enter is visit the Earn2Trade website, and you're going to tell me what the daily loss limit is on the 150k Gauntlet Mini. Now, how we're going to do this is you have to fill in the form that is on this site, on this page that we're looking at, and tell me which of these you did. Because some people might only do 3 of these, they might do 2, they might just do 1, they might do all 5. So whatever method you actually do for entries, and remember, you get 1 entry for each of these things you do, you need to just come fill in this form. Think of this form as the actual official entry, and the way you get entries is by doing those 5 tasks. So I put a sample here. Fill in, the name, Charles Trader, email, charlesthetrader@xyz.com, message. All you have to do is write down, hi CFT, here's what I did. I retweeted, and here's my Twitter handle. I liked, the post, and here's my name. I followed Earn2Trade. Here's my Instagram handle. Because sometimes people have completely different names and handles for different platforms. So this is a bit of work, and I realize that. So guys, if you do at least 3 of those 5 things, I will give you 1 entry into the next giveaway, whatever that might be. Believe me, I'm not sure yet. But if you take the time to do this, you'll automatically get at least 1 entry into the next giveaway. The only stipulation there is that you have to actually be participating in that one. So, but you'll get an entry into that one. Okay, guys, and just to show you how the form works, I just copied the sample information from up here. I stuck it in here. Hit submit. It's going to say sending, and then it's going to bring you to the confirmation page. Here you go. After you hit submit and it processes, thanks for entering the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Your entry is confirmed. We got the nice Canadian flag, and that is basically it. I haven't quite yet finished writing this as I record this, but nonetheless, you get the idea. So that is how you know you'll be entered for sure. So as I mentioned, do at least 3 of those tasks. You'll get a free entry into the next giveaway. So what you'll win, I already kind of put the bullet points up above. Obviously, first place gets a 150k Gauntlet Mini. You can read more about it on their site. It is the one that I'm currently doing, and hopefully you're following along on my journey. And the way it'll work is I'll give you a discount code that is good for 100% off. You can sign up then at your leisure. There's no expiration or anything, so if you need to wait. So for second and third place, as I mentioned, I'm going to be giving away the Earn2Trade Bootcamp course worth $200. Now, I realize that out of my followers, I have everything from completely brand new traders who I think will benefit from that course, all the way up to very experienced traders with decades under their belts. So if you are a winner and you say, hey, CFT, I appreciate winning, but I'm really probably not going to need the information in this course, that is fine. If you want to, you can elect to forfeit the prize, and I will give you 5 extra entries into the next giveaway. And I'll probably run the next giveaway kind of similar to this one where there's multiple ways to enter. And if you do that, I will then, of course, redraw and give the course to somebody else who can use the course. So the course won't go to waste. Somebody will get the course, and you will get 5 extra entries. So you get something for being drawn regardless. So the giveaway will be on Canada Day, which is July the 1st at 8 a.m. Pacific time. I didn't write it on here, but the cutoff time is basically about an hour before. I will do the drawing. I will record it. The way I will do it is I'll take everybody's entries from that form, however many times you entered. So say you did all 5 of the tasks. I will list out, your name 5 different times on the spreadsheet. We'll accumulate all the entries, and then I will do random drawings. I'm not quite sure yet. Either I will actually literally print these out and draw winners from a hat, or I will do some type of automated picker. Whatever I end up doing, I will record it, and you guys will be able to watch that, and I'll upload the video, of course, shortly thereafter. Okay, guys, so a few notable notes. No need to do any of the tasks multiple times. Sharing the tweet 10 times doesn't get you extra entries, things. So just do everything once. That's all you need. Send me the one form, and you are good to go. The 150K Gauntlet Mini will be for your first month, so just know that if you do take longer than 30 days, you're responsible for any subsequent months. As well, if you break a rule and you bust, you can reset it, but that will also be your responsibility and your choice as well. You certainly don't have to. And that is basically it, guys. Let's try to keep this as simple as possible. So hopefully that's not too confusing. I know it's a little bit different way than I've done in the past, but I wanted to give people multiple ways to enter. So rather than telling you have to do, these 3 things, instead it's like, well, here's 5 things, do as many of them or as few of them as you please, and just know that you get an extra entry for each thing that you do. Now that we've covered how you enter and what to do, let's take a look at each of these specifically just to clarify. But if you're clear on all of this, come to this link below, come to the website, do all the tasks, send me the form, and you are entered. First things first, follow the Earn2Trade Instagram account. If you come to Earn2Trade, I already follow them. All you have to do is follow them here. Boom, one thing done. Second, retweet the pinned tweet on my Canadian Futures Trader Twitter account. So this is a link directly to my account, and this is a link directly to that tweet. So when you come to Twitter, this is my account, my feed, whatever they call it. You'll see a pinned tweet right here. It'll be the first one. This is it right here. Just retweet that. Boom, you are done. You have your second entry. Third, like the pinned post on Canadian Futures Trader Facebook page. Again, you can click the link and go directly to that. Here is my Canadian Futures Trader Facebook page. Feel free to follow it, but that's certainly not required of entering. Here it is. You'll see this one as well, pinned post. It'll be the very first post. Give that a like. Done. You've got yourself an extra entry. Number 4, share the following link on your LinkedIn. So you're going to have to copy this link. Go to LinkedIn. I created this page just today for this purpose. Click on Start a Post. Share that link. You don't have to write anything if you don't want. Hit post, and that is basically it. Congrats, you have an additional entry. And number 5, visit the Earn2Trade website and tell me with your submission, basically in that form down below, what is the daily loss limit on the 150K Gauntlet Mini. So if you come to the Earn2Trade website, it will load. You can go to Start Now. It'll bring up the list of options that you have in terms of the programs that are available. So once you scroll down, you'll see the different types of gauntlets. Here's the 150K. You have to scroll one more further in this, and you'll see the daily loss limit. So tell me what that number is for the Gauntlet Mini 150K, and there you go. And then, as I mentioned, just come in here, fill in the form, fill in your email. I don't spam you. I don't even keep these. I'm using them for this purpose. Tell me what you did. You don't have to write a long, elaborate email. Just something like this. Hey, here's my username, and I, on Twitter, and I did this, on Facebook, and I did this, blah, blah, blah. And then once I draw the winner, I'll double check that you did the things that you said you did, and there you go. We will have a winner on July 1st. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Don't use that form. Just come to my normal contact form, which is here. Just fill this in. If you have a question, send it my way. I'll email you back, answer your questions. I realize not everybody has, Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. So basically do what you can do, what you're willing to do. That's why I made several options available. I don't expect that everybody's going to do all 5. And that's basically it, guys. So I'm looking forward to this giveaway. They only continue to get better and better, I feel like. I think it will be a trend continuing into the future. So thanks so much for watching. Good luck with your entry. I will probably keep you guys posted with my daily updates as to how the giveaway is going, people entering, etc. If there's any comment questions that I'm getting, I will let you guys know about those and what the answer is to that. And with that, guys, that is pretty much it. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Good luck, of course. Have fun with liking and retweeting and all of those things. If you have any questions, fill in that contact form. Happy to answer them for you. And I believe that is it. So thanks, everybody. And I'll see you in the next video.